So let's have a look at another example. This is part 3 of a nice, quick 3-part video of figuring out what kind of sorting is used in the code. Now, let me just make this code a little bit bigger. Now, you can see that this is quite different from insertion and selection sort. We've got a nested for loop, we've got a nested if statement as well. Now, this is an enhanced version of a bubble sort algorithm. Now, you can see we start off with a for loop. We declare swapped as false and swapped as true in the if statement. Now, swapped basically means have we swapped the elements in the array. Now, this also indicates the enhancement of the bubble sort. If we didn't use a swapped element in this, it would mean that it's not an enhanced bubble sort and we'd be using the worst case time complexity to solve this. Now in the nested for loop, you can see that we're going to be running from j all the way to n minus I minus 1. So the second last element of the array, and I, which is going to be how many elements through the array we've been traversing through. If the current element is greater than the next element, then we swap them, and swapped equal to true. Now because we swapped them already, that means that we don't have to go through the entire for loop again, so it's just going to break. Now if swapped is equal to false, as you can see below, if no two elements were swapped by the inner loop, then we break it. So we break the initial for loop. If there is no swapping occurring, then we just break the entire for loop. This enhancement gives us the enhanced bubble sort.